Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset tire pressure in your Audi Q3. First, it is crucial to ensure all your tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can find this information in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb. Typically, pressures range from 32 to 38 psi. Always check tire pressure when the tires are cold for the most accurate measurement. Next, you will need to access your Audi's MMI infotainment system. Turn on the ignition but do not start the engine. On your MMI control panel, find and press the car button. This will bring up a menu on your display. From there, navigate through the options to find and select Tire Pressure Monitoring or TPMS to proceed with the reset. Once you are in the TPMS menu, the MMI display will show the current pressure readings for each of your tires. If you have adjusted them to the correct levels, you can now initiate the reset. Look for an option like Store Tire Pressure or Reset TPMS on the screen. Select this option and then confirm your choice to save these current pressures as the new baseline for the system. Finally, to complete the reset process, you will need to drive your Audi Q3. Drive for at least 10 to 15 minutes, maintaining a speed above 15 miles per hour. This allows the system sufficient time to learn the new tire pressure values and confirm the reset. The TPMS warning light on your dashboard should then turn off, indicating a successful and complete reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.